See if this is going to work for you. Lord, let me do this right so they can see how to do it. Do it without getting tore up. But you got it, I ain't gonna be able to do a very good job. Here it goes. Anytime I go into base, I kind of look at what I'm in for, but I've been in this one enough times. So, I'll go straight at it. First, is I drop the Maverick. I drop it over here. Drop it on that sticker right there. Boom. It's gone. No more having to worry about that one. Yes, the Warpatches do produce tanks to come out, but they turn out to be your ally in the end. I drop it right in this area here. That way I do know I get it taken out. It's gone there. Take all these in. As they move the text over here. Get doing control. I click this so I can get it where I can go back a little bit. Right about there. In that general vicinity is about where you need to be at. I get set, and I'll watch this stuff up here ahead of me. Now the tank is turned around and come back. It got that doggone ability the shipper to turn your it's called turncoat. It makes your men turn against you. Yeah, he's coming up and everything. As he gets closer, that's when I'm able to work on him. Get out of that red circle. Make sure you're out of it. We'll bring some more circles on, but that's alright. They're going to sit there and they're going to steady shooting. Like I say, get out of the circle. If it works right, I won't get hit any. But I've been getting hit. Wound up with a lot of damage, but I managed to get out of it. Don't worry about them coming at you. They're going to be more busy with everything else. I never get out of getting shot up for some reason. Always do. That's why. Them darn things turn against you. Main thing, like I say, stay out of that circles. Right now, I can sit here and I can shoot him up. I stay back, I don't have to worry about it. If I don't watch out, I'm gonna end up, looks like I lost a bunch of them already. Everything. Apparently I've lost 5. But it's gonna take a little longer to kill it this time. You want to make sure you're out of that circle before that bomb hits the ground. If bomb hits the ground, it'll turn your text against you and it'll screw you totally. Okay, losing. Ah, good. I didn't lose them. Looked like oh yeah, I did. Lost every damn one of them. That means them tanks come out and shoot my shit. But, it ain't the tanks going to be getting shot. It's going to be something else. That's them, I'm screwed. This is what I'd do anyway, but I'm going to wind up losing this time. I ain't got nothing to save my butt in this thing. I know damn well this ain't going to work. Only thing that's going to kill it now is me killing their guys, the guys that get turned on them. As you see, it hurts you when you lose your men. You turncoats them, you're screwed. It's up to killing off the damn guys, he turncoats now. Which means I have to run from tanks and stuff too. If he shoots my one doggone tech, I'm screwed. I can only hope I beat it now. He's turned them against me. help kill him. I don't want to be anywhere near them damn things. He's almost dead. I might beat it after all. I don't lose this. Hey, I beat it. That's basically what I do. I usually don't get my doggone guys turncoated on me. I lost every one of them ticks other than that one.